Men, and I use the term loosely. This is an unashamed pitch to join me on Patreon. Behind me here is the 1974 custom project bike, my bike I've been working on for nearly the last 2 years. Just FYI, I have been posting episodes as soon as I get done making the episodes on Patreon. I think I'm currently up to episode 25. On YouTube, I think I'm only up to episode, I don't know, some number less than that. It looks like there's going to be about 37, 38 episodes in the entire series. My scheduling publishing rate would stretch the culmination and the final video of this out probably till March, maybe April, depending how it goes. The bike behind me here, you can see a little bit of a teaser of it, is done. It's running, it's driving. I've been making the videos. Pretty much as fast as I can. I filmed hundreds of hours, literally, of video, and I've waited until the bike was nearly done before I started putting it all together. But anyway, I expect I will have the entire series of 37, 38 videos on Patreon probably within the next couple of weeks, the whole series, whereas on YouTube you're probably not going to see it to the end until, like I say, March or April. So anyway, spend $5 a month, join me on Patreon. You'll get to see this project finished up much earlier. And just kind of FYI, yeah, I got the current episode I'm working on for Patreon was filmed on July 19th, 20th, and 21st. I finally had the frame back from Powder Coat, and I do a marathon video, covers 3 days of my work out in the shop. I got it all in one video. It's an hour long, and the motorcycle actually looks like a motorcycle. Up until that time, the videos have all been, a wheel, a piece of a transmission, part of a front end, a bracket, or whatever, But finally, the whole thing looks like a motorcycle, and you'll be able to see it much sooner if you join me on Patreon. So that's kind of the update and the status of the project. Anyway, y'all take it easy. We'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye. Men, if you like this channel and this content, the single most important thing you could do to help grow this channel is to hit the subscribe button. I also have new design coffee cups and stickers available. I like the old coffee cups, but I like these new ones even more. Links are included in the description down below. And for those of you who really want to go the extra mile, you could join me on Patreon. Link is also included in the description down below. And to all of you who have watched these videos, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much. I really, really do appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye. And now, 2 words from our sponsor.
Super clean.
Ooh, nice.